this video, I'm going to demonstrate how Excel supports help desk professionals in tracking and organizing help desk tickets. So over here on the left-hand side, I have the ticket numbers. In the B column, I have the customer that called in with the support request, the date that they called, and over here in the priority section, I have the word hi. Now I have created a drop-down list already, and I chose or selected the words high, medium, or low, so I can choose high, medium, or low there. And the way that I did that is I used in this J column these items, high, medium, and low. So all I did was enter them in, so now I can automatically choose whether it's a high priority, a low priority, or medium priority. So let's go ahead and create the same drop-down list with the progress. And if you look over in the K column, some of the categories are in progress, not assigned, open, not resolved. So we need to make sure that we're entering that data in here as well. So I've left-clicked my mouse in the E column, and I'm going to come up to my Data tab across the top. I'm going to come over to the Data Tools category section in the ribbon, and I'm going to select the Data Validation drop-down, and I'm going to choose Data Validation. By default, the Settings tab should be selected. If it isn't, make sure that it is. And in the Allow, I want to select the drop-down arrow here and choose the word List. In the Source section, I'm going to left-click my mouse, and now I want to choose in the K column those 4 items that I've already created there. But I want to make sure that I have a blank cell above it. So I'm going to choose the blank cell above it, and then these 4 below. I'm going to release my mouse, and it automatically puts in what I need to put in. The cell equals cell K3 through K7. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now I have a little drop down in the cell. And when I select that little drop down, I can choose in progress. I can choose not assigned. I'm going to go and select nothing at this point in time and show you your autofill or drag this column down. And when I do, now every cell has that drop down list. So it automatically populated each individual cell below it with the same information. I can choose to drop down every cell here. So it's very easy to do. Let's go ahead and do the technicians. Right, so same thing, data validation. I'm going to make sure that I have the word list selected, and I'm going to left click my mouse in the source. I'm going to select blank cell above it and select all of my technicians. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So now I can assign the technician that I need to assign. And you can see that there's a little scroll bar if it gets a little bit lengthy. Very easy to do. And now you're using Excel in an IT help desk situation. And if you create this within your organization, you're going to look like a rock star. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have anything that you'd like for me to cover, by all means, leave it in a comment below. Thanks for your time. Peace out.